Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Star Flames. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, and join the family. Guys, Kimora Simmons, this woman is diabolical. And I have to say that because there's no better way to put what she's doing to her ex-husband, Russell Simmons. Now, make no mistakes. We know that Russell Simmons is a lot of things, but Russell took Kimora Simmons' Leissener to court. He basically accused her of selling portion of his stock that he has to keep her husband, Tim Leissener, out of jail. Because if you're not aware, Tim Leissener basically robbed the Malaysian government of, I think it was like $1 billion or something like that, if not close to, right? Now, he agreed to pay $44 million to stay out of jail. And Russell is saying Kimora sold a portion of a stock that he has to keep Tim Leissener out of jail. Guess what Kimora did? Kimora went to court and argued that, the case should be thrown out of court under California anti-SLAPP law. No, this strategic law against public participation, which protects Californians from predatory lawsuit that violates their right to speech, to free speech, sorry. How does that make any sense, Kimora? How does that make any sense? Is she saying that she has rights to Russell's money because she has kids for him? Like, what's the point here? Because that is not making any sense. And the judge had every damn right to basically tell her, no, that cannot happen. Let's get into this report because, this woman is definitely diabolical. And honestly, I'm so sorry. There's no other way to put it. I like Kimora, but Kimora, no, honey, no. But anyway, let's get into it, right? Because according to a report that is coming out, it is said that a judge denied Kimora Simmons' Leissener and husband Tim Leissener latest request to strike Russell Simmons' fraud claims. Y'all bitches are going to jail, that's all I know. And I hope Russell keeps his foot in their neck. Let's continue. Kimora Simmons Leissener faced another blow this week in a court battle with ex-Russell Simmons, who sued the fashion mogul and her husband Tim Leissener, alleging they fraudulently sold shares of his stock to help Tim avoid prison time. A filing this week obtained by Radar Online revealed that an appeal court in Los Angeles denied Kimora and Tim latest request to strike the fraud claims. The couple argue the record exec's case should be thrown out of court under California anti-SLAPP strategic lawsuit against public participation law, which protects Californians from predatory lawsuits that violate their rights to free speech. Like, make it make sense, Kimora. Where did you get your lawyer from, girl? But anyway, let's continue, right? Tim and Kimora argued that Russell's complaint included mixed causes of action, meaning his claims stem from both protected and unprotected activity. Their argument pertained to letters written by Kimora and Tim included in Russell's complaint regarding the transfer of the shares and Tim's involvement in Malaysian Wealth Fund. I think this is 1 million. I think that's the currency for Malaysia. Corruption scandal, right? The former Goldman Sachs investment banker pleaded guilty to federal foreign bribery and money laundering conspiracy charges in November 2018 and agreed to pay back $44 million to avoid prison time. How do you steal from a country that is already struggling? Do you know how heartless and cruel you have to be to do something like that? God damn it, these people are evil. Anyway, they're saying that Russell, who was married to Kimora from 1999 to 2009, claimed that in May 2018, Kimora and Tim, knowing full well that Tim would need tens of millions of dollars to avoid jail time, stay out on bail, and forfeit monies for victims' compensation, allegedly unlawfully took 4 million shares of his stock in energy drink company Celsius to pay Tim's legal fees. Kimora. Whew. The Baby Fat founder filed the lawsuit in 2021 alleging that more than 200 million was disbursed to Tim and another alleged co-conspirator in the $1 million the Malaysian currency scheme. Now, his complaint included two letters purportedly penned by Kimora and Tim, which Russell claimed were part of a cover-up by the couple who allegedly tried to create a new spin for the conspiracy and fraud they had effectuated. I believed I believe Russell. I honestly believe Russell Simmons in this case. Now, they're saying that the letters dated June 26, 2018 and February 5th, 2020 listed the transfer of the shares as temporary loans to cover Tim's bond authorized by Tim as a manager of Russell's investment company, New Horizon. Russell, however, claimed the letters do not reflect any legitimate loan, but are are further evidence of Kimora and Tim's fraudulent scheme. Kimora and Tim filed separate motions to strike the complaint under various anti-SLAPP statutes, but both motions were denied in 2022 by a trial court. The couple immediately appealed, but on Wednesday, June 5th, Justice Maria Stratton moved to uphold the decision, calling the couple's argument a stretch. Damn right it is a stretch, because this is why I say Kimora and Tim is diabolical. Lock their asses up and throw away the damn key. These people are so damn evil. No, they're saying that she wrote on behalf of the appellate court. We disagree and find that the complaint alleges the two letters are merely incidental to and constitute evidence of the fraud claims. Exactly so. They are not the basis of the causes of action themselves. We affirm the trial court's denial of both anti-SLAPP motion. Guys, that's it. I have to say, Kimora and that man Tim, evil. You took Russell's money to keep that man out of jail. And then you're going to write to the court as though Russell is crazy. But anyway, they ended up implicating themselves. That's basically admission of guilt right there. That's what the judge is saying. So, I mean, I hope Russell does get his money. Again, I'm not saying that, Russell is any innocent Abby to anything, but at the same time, what Kimura did to this man, then taunt the man on the internet, try to make Russell look crazy in front of the entire world, and told the world that Russell is not doing anything for his kids. Hello, how is he supposed to when you took all his money for your husband? I mean, I don't blame Russell. Honestly, I don't blame Russell in this case. But guys, I want to hear from you though. What are your thoughts? While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up, share if you care, and see you guys later. Bye guys.